Next class, Mammalia. Mammals derived from therapsid reptiles. Therapsid reptiles. Therapsid reptiles in Triassic period. Triassic period. The golden age of mammals. Golden age. Golden age of mammals. Golden age of mammals is Cenozoic era. Cenozoic era is golden age of mammals. Study of mammals. Study of mammals is called mammalogy. Study of mammals is called mammalogy. Mamma means breast. Mamma means breast. Mammals found in all habitats. Mammals found in all habitats. General characters of mammals. They live in all habitats. They modified their body for aquatic, terrestrial and aerial mode of life. Body shape and the size. The body shape and the size are different in mammals. Body is divided into head, neck, trunk and a tail. Body is divided into 4 regions. These are head, neck, trunk and tail. Next, body is covered by skin. Skin contains sweat glands, sebaceous glands and scent glands. Sweat glands, these are epidermal glands, epidermal origin. These formed from epidermis. Sweat gland produce sweat. Sweat helps for the elimination of nitrogen substance and homeostasis of body or osmoregulation. Next, sebaceous gland. Sebaceous gland produce sebum. Sebum or oil. Sebum helps for the moisture of the skin and the shiny of the hair. Exoskeleton. Body is covered by hair. Presence of hair is unique feature in mammals. In some organisms, example whales. In whales, hair is reduced. In whales and armadillos, hair is reduced. Hair present at least some developmental stages in mammals. Next, endoskeleton. Skull is dicondylic skull. Lower jaw is formed by single bone. single bone called dentary. Vertebrae is amphiplatean. Vertebrae is amphiplatean. Amphiplatean vertebrae present in amphiplatean means both anterior and posterior ends of the disc is flat. So amphiplatean vertebrae is present in mammals. Cervical vertebrae, generally cervical vertebrae is 7. Cervical vertebrae is 7. Next, rib cage. Rib cage is strongly formed. Ribs are bicephalic ribs. Ribs are bicephalic. Bicephalic ribs. Next, digestive system. Palate. This is palate. Palate separates the This is palate, this is oral cavity, this is nasal cavity, this is palate. Palate separates the oral cavity and nasal cavity. Palate separates the oral cavity and nasal cavity. Dentition is thecodont, heterodont, diphyodont. Thecodont, heterodont and diphyodont. Thecodont, teeth are fits in the jaw socket. Jaw socket also called alveoli. Teeth are arranged in the sockets of jawbone. Teeth are arranged in the sockets of jawbone. So this is called thecodont. Thecodont dentition present in the mammals and crocodiles. Next, the heterodont. Four types of teeth. Incisors, canines, premolars, molars. So this is called heterodont. Diphyodont. Only two sets of teeth are formed in their lifetime. This is called diphyodont. Salivary glands. Salivary glands are 4 pairs present in mammals. These are infraorbital, parotid, submaxillary, submandibular. Submandibular salivary glands. These are 4 pairs in mammals. In humans, only 3 pairs of salivary glands are present. Infraorbital salivary gland is absent in humans. In generally, salivary glands are 4 pairs in mammals. In humans, only 3 pairs of salivary glands are present. Infraorbital salivary gland is absent. Next, respiratory system. Respiration through lungs. Epiglottis. Epiglottis is present. Epiglottis covers this is trachea. The opening of trachea is called glottis. Glottis is covered by epiglottis. This is epiglottis. Epiglottis is present. Larynx is present. Larynx is sound box. Sound producing organ in mammals is larynx. In birds, syrinx. In mammals, larynx is sound producing organ. Respiratory circulatory system. Heart is four chambered. The oxygenated and deoxygenated blood are completely separated. Completely separated in mammals. Heart is four chambered. Renal portal system. Renal portal system is absent. Renal portal system is absent in mammals. Renal portal system also absent in cyclostomes. Renal portal system also absent in cyclostomes. Blood cells are circular, biconcave, and the nucleus is absent. Nucleus is absent. In mammals, RBC is circular, biconcave, the nucleus is absent. Nucleus is absent. Next, excretory system. Excretory organs are metanephric kidney, loop of Henle. This is loop of Henle. It is the structure of nephron. Loop of Henle. Loop of Henle is present in mammals. It helps for the production of concentrated urine. Loop of Henle helps for the production of concentrated urine. These organisms are, mammals are ureotelic organisms. They produce urea. Next, nervous system. Cranial nerves are 12 pairs. Brain is surrounded by three layers, three meninges. These are pia mater, dura mater, arachnoid membrane. Arachnoid membrane is formed in mammals. Brain is covered by three layers, pia mater, inner dura mater, and middle arachnoid membrane. Two cerebral hemispheres. These are cerebral hemispheres. Two cerebral hemispheres are internally connected by corpus callosum. Optic lobes are four. These are corpora quadrigemina. Corpora quadrigemina. Two cerebral hemispheres are connected by corpus callosum. Midbrain consists of four lobes. These are called corpora quadrigemina. Next, sense organs. Yes, eyes are movable eyelids. And eyelashes are present. External ear pinna. External ear pinna is present. Middle ear has three ear oscles, malleus, incus, stapes, and internal ear consists of cochlea. Next, the reproductive system. Sexual dimorphism. This shows these organisms, mammals exhibit sexual dimorphism, well marked sexual dimorphism in mammals. Next, these are viviparous, except prototherians. Except prototherians. Generally, mammals are viviparous. Except in prototherians. Prototherians are egg-laying mammals. Egg-laying mammals important. Prototherians are egg-laying mammals. These are viviparous. Egg-laying means oviparous. Oviparous means egg-laying. Egg-laying mammals are prototherians. Testes are extra-abdominal testes. Testes are extra-abdominal testes. It means testes present in the scrotal sacs. Testes present outside the abdomen. But in some organisms, testes are present in the abdomen. Testes are present in the abdomen. Example. Intra-abdominal testes present in. It means testes are present in the abdomen, abdominal cavity. These are prototherians. Prototherians, dolphins, whales, elephants and sea cows. Fertilization. Penis is present. Penis is present. Fertilization is internal fertilization. Fertilization is internal fertilization. Development is intrauterine development. Intrauterine development. It means development of embryo in the uterus. Intrauterine development. Intrauterine development. Next, placenta. Placenta formed in mammals. Placenta connects the baby and the mother. Placenta connects the connection between the mother and the baby is called placenta. Placenta formed in mammals. These are the characters of mammals. Ornithorhynchus, platypus. These are oviparous. Mammals. Ornithorhynchus, platypus. Macrophus, commonly called kangaroo. These are metatherians. These are prototherians. These are metatherians. Metatherians means pouched mammals. Pouched mammals are macrophus. Next, Pteropus, flying fox. Camelus, camel. Macaca, monkey. Ratus, rat. Canis, dog. Felis, cat. Elephagus, elephant. Next, Panthera tigris, tiger. Panthera leo, lion. These are the examples of mammals. Prototheria, metatheria and eutheria. These are the orders of the class Mammalia. Prototheria contains egg-laying mammals. Metatheria, these are pouched mammals. Eutherians, these are true placental mammals. Metatherians, example kangaroo. Prototheria, duck-bill platypus or platypus.